AI isn't for techies anymore. This is the new cheat code which would increase your productivity, help you study, and land you a job. I've got these 5 AI tools which would save hours of your week, will help you increase your productivity, help you study, and land you that job. Stick till the end because tool 5 will literally write your resumes and land you in the shortlist. After spending 3 years in UPSC, I've learned something powerful. But someone who works hard with the right tool would win. These 5 AI tools would help you win in 2025. Tool 1. ChatGPT. From writing essays to answers, this could do everything, breaking down complex topics to simpler one and your 24/7 mentor. It would break down complex topics, draft your professional emails, practice mock interviews. A bonus tip to add this prompt: act like an expert. This is a game changer. Tool 2. Notion AI. Note taking sorted. Plan your study schedule sorted. We got all in this. If you're trying to build a knowledge base for your general studies or general subjects, we got it sorted. If you want to plan your YouTube videos, this could help you. And get your to-do list every single day. This is the tool that you should use to be productive. Notion AI would help you be productive every day. Tool 3. Perplexity AI or Claude. Instead of having multiple tabs in your browser, get some fake news, fake information, use these tools to get the right information in one click, and have spaces where you could get specific information from the specific sources that you would like to get. Use Perplexity AI and Claude AI to be a better searcher and be a pro searcher in 2025. Bonus tip: ask for sources, PDFs which are specific for your domain, which you might not find when you search it by yourself. This could help you find the specific sources that you have been trying to find. Tool 4. Quillbolt or Grammarly. Whether you're writing an email to your boss, or writing your script for YouTube, or SOPs for universities, Quillbolt would intelligently arrange your script and Grammarly would phrase it properly grammatically. Polish your YouTube scripts, send SOPs which are professional, draft your personal blogs or daily blogs. These tools would up you a notch in writing quality content. And if you're sticking till here, you have greater attention span than the average in this world. And the reward for you for sticking till this end is this tool 5 which could literally write your resumes. Tool 5. Rezi or Resume.io. You can have all the skills, but if your resume sucks, it doesn't matter. Rezi or Resume.io would help you build the proper resume that you have been waiting for. It uses AI to write ATS friendly resumes, keyword rich resumes, which would help freshers to land job and be recognized. And for career switchers or someone who's trying to be recognized in that domain, this could pump your resume to stand out of the average. How to master these tools? Don't know them already? Use them every day. How I would start: use Pomodoro with Notion AI, daily doubt solving with Claude, write journals or resumes with Quillbot, schedule 15 minutes of your day trying to learn it step by step so that you could be pro in using these tools in 2025. And sooner or later, they would feel natural to you, will come to you naturally, you would be using it without hesitation. And finally, AI wouldn't replace you. It would replace you with the person who uses AI better than you. Use AI before the person who replaces you with using AI better than you. And if you are finding this helpful, do not forget to click that subscribe button and give it a like so that it would motivate me to do more videos like this, to give you information which would help you stand above in the market. And drop your favorite AI tool till now and tell me what is your insight about that AI tool.